Hayi cha mina bengazi ukuthi kanti ukuzwana nani kuphuphisana kanje. Sengiphinde ngaphupha futhi. Lapho ngiyilalela ngitshe ngizoyivukela nje ntambama sengingenwa yilanga ezincane ngoba vele ayikho into engizoyivukela akukho umsebenzi akukho matoho akukho kudla. So ungcono uma ngivuka sengiyivukela ntambama sengidla leyo dina ngiphinde ngiyilalele. Ngoba vele ngizovuka ngenzeni. Awazi nokuyovakasha kamakhelwane ngiyonana nabo abanalutho akukho lutho nje. Kodwa ke asikho lapho. Hawu. Ngiphuphani ke namhlanje ngiphupha yena umkhulu uyabuya umkhulu uthi umkhulu kumina ucela ngimkhulumele nama Clever Blacks awungijabuleke nami ngithi hawu shuthi uyabona ukuthi sebekhona abantu abamnyama abahlakaniphile uzothi angibancome. Ngithi mina yeah athi uSmayilelani nje mengithi Clever Blacks. Athi bangidina kabi nje labantu abathi ngoba sebazi ukuthi ubeca use because mase beyitshela ukuthi sebengcono bayitshela ukuthi ayike shuthi sebesazi sonke isingisi sebewazi wonke umlando sebazi ngishilo. Ngithi ya mkhulu izanazo. Athi umkhulu ama Clever Blacks ayathanda ukuzenza ngathi asazi kakhulu allocate something is legal there is law angazi kwashaya cembeshilo nje nama emagama. Wathi umkhulu ucela ngiwatshele ama Clever Blacks ukuthi there's a difference between law and justice. Wathi umkhulu ilaw into eyenziwa abantu basemhlabeni. So just because something is legal it does not make it right. Wathi umkhulu ngiwatshele kama Clever Blacks ukuthi awofunda nehistory phela angagcini nje ngokufunda izinto ezenzeka manje bese beyitshela ukuthi sebazi kakhulu. Wathi nje the first point efike ngibatshele wona ukuthi kwalesi ngisabasikhulumayo bakhumbula ukuthi it was illegal for them to go to the schools asebefuye kuzona bafunda lesingisi asebeyitshela ukuthi sebengcono ngaso. Wasebuya yakhuluma futhi umkhulu ephusheni. Wathi umkhulu ngibakhumbuze o Clever Black ukuthi maybe just because something is legal it has to be upheld. Bakhumbula ukuthi apartheid was legal. Slavery was legal. Wathi umkhulu the Holocaust was legal. Wathi umkhulu ngibakhumbuze nokuthi segregation was legal. Drinking and driving was legal. Marital rape was legal. Under the law, a married woman was a legal minor under her husband, and her husband could do as he wishes to her. No muyamshaya or he does whatever he wants. She could not have the law protect her. But people had to fight for those things to stop being legal. Bathi mina ayibomkhulu phela manje kwakuyikhathi zeni lezo zakudala. Si right manje izinto sezalungiswa yonke into right. Wasethi do you know ukuthi Texas it is illegal to possess or promote more than 6 dildos. Kathi ha babalelwe nalokho. Wasethi nginitshela ukuthi law is man-made. Just because something is legal doesn't make it just. Athi ha mkhulu lesingisesingaka wamani wahamba ngazi noma uzobuya yini kusasa.